Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're going to talk about what it takes for a new person to get their first SMMA client in 30 days or less. Okay, I know a lot of you guys are still out there. You've been involved with SMMA and you still have zero clients, and you're like, Maurice, what does it take to go from where I am now to getting my first $1,000 to $2,000 a month client? And I'm just going to give you guys some tips and strategies that helped me years ago when I first launched my social media marketing business. And I believe the first thing, okay, because let's face it, you guys have zero experience, okay? But here's the thing, you must, this is key, this is so key, you got to believe in yourself, okay? A lot of you guys don't believe in yourself. And if you don't believe in yourself, no one's going to hand you $1,000 or $2,000 a month or $1,000 credit card or a check if you don't believe in yourself, okay? People want confident people to run their social media marketing advertisements, okay? It's not about the experience, okay? How many years you've been doing something. It's about, can I trust this person with $1,000 to $2,000 to go and run my Facebook ads? And if you're coming in to a prospecting call or a meeting, okay, a phone presentation or a follow-up, and you're like, let me talk to you about your social media marketing, and then they give you an objection, and the first thing you do is start shaking and shimmering. You're fearful. They can feel that, ladies and gentlemen, over the phone. They know you don't believe in yourself, and therefore they're not gonna give you the money. Ladies and gentlemen, I just launched a course. It's called the Instant Client Pro Training Course, and I was able to pull in 3 clients in less than 7 days, okay? And what I did was document each day on what it would take for me to, first of all, get my first client and build a $10,000 to $15,000 a month agency, okay? And if you guys want to watch it, click the link in the description below, and you guys can pick the ICP training course up, and it'll help you guys to build confidence, because that's the key, okay, to being successful in getting your first agency client. Okay, it's not about the outsourcing and all the other stuff that you guys think it is. It's called the you factor, okay? What separates winners from losers is confidence, believing that you can do it, okay? It's not that you can't do it, it's believing you can do it. Because let's face it, there's tons of outsourcers out there, because that's the biggest thing that I hear. Oh, the reason why I don't prospect is because I don't have an outsourcer. Well, you got to get a client first before you can get an outsourcer. You guys are putting the cart before the horse. Once you get that client, you can head over to all the outsourcing sites, interview some good people, and get them on your Facebook ads. But the first thing that you got to work on, okay, is believing in yourself, having confidence in yourself, knowing that if this business owner, okay, gives me $1,000 check or $1,000 authorization or a $2,000 credit card authorization form so that I can go back and charge on my PayPal or my Square Up or Stripe or whatever type of account you have, okay, that you can get them results, they're not going to give you any money, okay? Folks, let me just share a quick story with you. When I launched my agency, okay, I didn't have a website. I didn't even have a legal entity, okay? I didn't have all the business cards and all the stuff that folks say. I didn't even have an outsourcer, okay? I didn't have that. But what I did have was, number one, I had a burning desire. I was working a dead-end job at a warehouse. I was sleeping during the day, and I was working at night, loading trucks up at a warehouse, and I hated it. You know, I was overworked, underpaid. There was more month at the end of the money, okay? And I said to myself, I discovered this social media marketing thing, and I said to myself, I said, man, all I really need is 5 of these clients to pay me $1,000 a month, and I'm out of here. You know what I mean? That's what I said to myself. So number one, I had some fire. A lot of you guys have no fire, meaning that you guys are playing around, watching TV. I wasn't like that. I said, I got to get out of this situation. And until you guys get burning desire, you guys are going to be stuck. You can watch all the YouTube videos you want to. But if you don't have a burning desire to go from point A to point B, you're going to stay in point A. You guys got to get serious. You guys are not serious enough, even as newbies. You guys can crush it, because that's what I did. I calculated how many clients I needed. And I said to myself, if I need 5 clients, actually I only needed 3 or 4, because I really wasn't making that much of that warehouse job. But I wanted 5 because I wanted some extra things. You know what I mean? I wanted to travel, and I wanted me a drop top, for the summer. I wanted some nice stuff and some nice clothes. So I just said, I just need 5 clients to pay me $1,000 a month. And I'm out of this dead end job. So I said, you know what? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get on this phone. I'm going to suck in the beginning. Okay. But guess what? I don't care. I'm out of here. I'm going to make it happen. And if one of these business owners, if I sit down, I set an appointment with one of these business owners, he going to feel me. Okay. I'm going to go in with enthusiasm. Okay. And I'm going to find a way to get somebody to run ads, or I'm going to do it myself, because that's what I did too a little bit, did it a little bit myself until I found some outsources. Okay, and I sat down with those business owners, went through a simple presentation using Google at the time. Okay, went in the back office, used the Google Planner, showed him how many people was searching for his business. Okay, and he was not there. And I told him what I charged. And I said, hey, if you give me an opportunity, I'm going to get you leads and customers. That was the magic word. It really wasn't about Google. Write that down. All business owners want to hear is that you can get their phone ringing and you can get them leads and customers. Now, some of you might be saying, well, Maurice, I don't know how. Find a way. Start looking for outsourcers now if you need that. I didn't need that. All I needed somebody was to believe me. And I displayed enthusiasm. I was excited. You guys got to get excited. That's another thing. You can't go to a phone presentation or follow-up close dead and dry. Now, you don't have to be as over the top as me, but you got to go in with belief. Okay? That's the secret. Go in with belief. And if you guys need belief, you got anxieties and fears, I want you to click the link in the description and sign up for the ICP course. I go over mindset and how to get over procrastination and all that mental limiting belief garbage that's going on in your head so that you can make some big money in SMMA. Because if you guys don't take advantage of this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, like they say, opportunities don't go away, they just pass you by. Okay, you got to get serious about your SMMA businesses, even as a new person. So the key, to why they were handing me checks as a newbie with no outsourcer, no website, no business name, or none of that type of stuff, is they felt that enthusiasm. They said to themselves, this young man could take my business to the next level. I don't see any testimonials. All this stuff y'all talking about. I didn't have testimonials. I was the testimonial. I was the testimonial, you guys. You know what I mean? That's how excited I was. See, just get excited. That's all you got to do is get excited about SMMA, and you guys can get clients. The rest of the stuff you will figure out. If you guys are trying to figure out everything before you make a call, before you buy a course, you guys won't be successful. You got to have some faith, and you got to take a chance on yourself. Not on SMMA. Take a chance on yourself, ladies and gentlemen, and get out here and get it done. Get the courses and take action. That's another secret. You want your first client in the next 30 days or so? Take action. You can't get a client by watching YouTube videos. You got to pick the phone up. You got to do the Looms or the Zooms or the cold emails or whatever strategies you're doing. You have to take action. And see, what I see is a lot of you guys aren't taking action. And then here's another thing. A lot of you guys are taking action, but you're not taking enough action. You got to level that thing up. Take that thing to the top. Okay, meaning if you're making 3 calls a day, make 50 calls a day, make 100 calls a day, make 900 calls a day. You do what it takes to be successful. Okay, that's the bottom line, and that's the common denominator. And ladies and gentlemen, if you guys take from this video and apply what I'm telling you, I don't care if you don't have testimonials, outsourcers, or whatever. If you go in enthusiastic by smiling, by being confident and believing in who you are as a person, and knowing that if you got these extra days, you can find an outsourcer. That's easy. Okay, but believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, you can have the top outsourcers, the top service, the top product, but it won't work because you don't believe it. And if you don't believe it, they won't believe it. Okay, you can't get on a basketball court and win a basketball game if you're thinking before you even play that you're gonna lose. You know what I mean? You might as well not even play. Think about that. If you're thinking in your mind that you're not gonna get clients, okay, I don't have an outsourcer, I don't believe in myself. Ladies and gentlemen, you're defeated before you even do anything, before you even take action. So if you guys are going through that, you need help. Okay, click the link in the description, sign up for the ICP training course, okay? Where I can just take you step by step over the next 7 days and show you how to get it done, okay? Plain and simple. But those are the tips to help new people go from where you are now to getting your first client. All this other stuff is secondary. You got to get you right first. If you're not right, you can have the finest strategy. It's not going to happen. Nobody's going to give you any money. Okay, you want money? Be confident in yourself. Invest in your mind. Grow. Okay, that's what it takes. Now, I give you guys the real shimmy. Okay, that's how I built a 6-figure agency. Okay, as a new person. Brand new. All right, and I've been hitting multiple 6 figures for the last 7 years or so. Just crushing it part-time. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that's it. You guys got value? Comment below. Let me know what you guys thought. Hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. If you're not a subscriber of the channels, I put out gas like this all the time. Okay, because I want you guys to make money. Okay, if you want to make money, you want to be successful, you want clients paying you $1,000 to $2,000 a month to run simple Facebook, Google ads, Bing ads for them, become a subscriber. And then if you want help, click the link in the description. I'll help you guys. See you on the next one. Take action. Bye for now.